children. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Good. Now today I am going to teach you all phonic sounds. Okay children, ST sounds. See, here is the book. Okay, so I am going to teach you all ST sounds. ST means stir. Okay, see my little children? Stir. Yes. Now I wrote some words for you to explain to you all. Okay children? Yeah, this is P-E-S-T, best. So this is S. S says S. The sound S says S. T says